Hi everyone, today let's go visit Jiaxing Import and Export Fair. Come with me. Welcome to Jiaxing Import and Export Fair. Today I'm going to take you guys around, show you what type of product they have, and let me know if you like anything. So today I am at InTop Company. They have different jacks. So if you are in the car business, car part business, this is one of the business that you can think about. Here I am with the owner. She's going to explain to us what kind of product they have and how you guys can work together.
Hello everyone, my name is Su, and we produce hydraulic jack, bottle jack, floor jack, and other tools for cars, also for trucks. And for bottle jack, usually like this one, bottle jack we export to this bottle jack, export to Europe, Russia, and other countries. And like a cigar jack, screw jack, this one, screw jack, also this one for Toyota cars, yes. And more than 50 countries now we export. And welcome to visit us. Thank you.
Have you worked with African clients before?
For African, we export for Algeria, Nigeria, and other countries many years. For me, I'll do these jacks for more than 18 years.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, so today I am here with a friend. We are a Newcom company. This is a factory that produces suitcases. So a lot of you have been asking me for a product, a business idea that you could start, whether you're in Africa, whether you are in Europe. So this is one of the businesses that I can suggest. And today I am at an exhibition, and this is her.
Yeah.
She's going to introduce the product, and they are the main factory that produce this.
My name is Flora. It's my pleasure to know you. Hi. This is our factory, and we produce luggage and backpacks. And you can see that this is our latest luggage, and this is the luggage. This is our TSA lock, and if you just push the button, and it can open. So you can put your computers inside, then you can put your clothes in the main boxes. And what's more, we have different. We have other stars like this one. This is our small box star. It's very suitable for you to take it on the airplane. And this luggage, you see, it's a different design. It's a little like the every latest luggage. You can take it, and it's very fashion. You see the color. It's black with red. It's classic. So, and this is our cloud luggage. You see, the stars is quite different from the other luggage in the market. You can take it as a luggage, but when you put it, you can use it as a box. And it uses some special technology. These clothes are can anti-bacteria. This is first I introduced some hard luggage. This is our soft luggage. It's made of clothes, and you can put many things inside if you want to put more, and it can take it also. And you see the color is yellow with black. It's very bright. When you take it outside, you can see it far away. You can see your luggage. I'm very happy to introduce you that our shop is we have a big factory, and the factory has opened about 13 years. It's near the exhibition, only about 47 minutes away. If you would like to come to our factory, you are quite welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Guys, if you need the contact of the factory, just drop in the comment and I will just send you their number. Bye.